The Positive Impact Academy with Darren Dunsweiler and Spencer Clifford.
Hello, friends. This is Darren Dunsweiler with today's PIA tip. When dealing with insurance, and there is no way in this quick tip that we could even remotely broach all of the important topics regarding insurance. For that, you should listen to a more in-depth podcast that Spencer and I have. But for the tip, whenever you're working with a buyer or a seller, pull a CLUE report. That's a CLUE, Comprehensive Loss Underwriters Exchange Report. All agents have the ability to pull it per property. And understand this CLUE report can affect your buyer's ability to purchase a property or the seller's ability ultimately to be able to sell it. Because in the insurance agency or the insurance business, all claims stay with a property and, that's a big and, with the person that has the insurance for 7 years. I don't care what state you're in or wherever. All of this funnels into this CLUE report, and therefore the ability for the buyer to get insurance or the cost of insurance can change dramatically based on the number of claims and the type of claims that a property and or a person has had. So imagine your sellers had 2 or 3 very legitimate claims. If a couple of them were water claims, that may make it almost impossible for the buyer to get insurance on this property because of water damage. If they've had numerous claims, the likelihood is that for the buyer to get insurance, it will go way up in price. And then realize that the same thing goes when this seller does sell. These same claims follow them and would propose the same type problems for them in their purchase.
This is a production of the Positive Impact Academy.